The world of consumer drones is about to be shaken to its core once again as we approach the highly anticipated release of the DJI Mini 6 Pro. For years, DJI has dominated the sub-250-gram category, pushing the boundaries of what a compact aircraft can achieve, but the whispers coming out of the supply chain this may suggest that the Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental update. It is a total reimagining of the ultra-lightweight flight experience. Imagine a drone that fits in the palm of your hand, yet possesses the optical prowess of a professional cinema camera and the intelligence of a high-end enterprise platform. We are talking about a leap in technology so significant that it threatens to make even the larger Air series look redundant for many creators. The buzz in the industry is reaching a fever pitch because the leaked specifications hint at a complete overhaul of the sensor architecture and the transmission system, ensuring that the gap between amateur hobbyist gear and professional filmmaking tools has never been thinner. As the sun sets on the previous generation, the horizon is glowing with the promise of a device that defies the laws of physics and regulatory constraints simultaneously. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, let's dive into the heart of these leaks, because what we are seeing in the latest schematics is nothing short of revolutionary. The headline feature that has everyone talking is the rumored transition to a much larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a feat many thought impossible while maintaining the crucial 249-gram weight limit. If DJI pulls this off, it means the Mini 6 Pro will offer unparalleled low-light performance and dynamic range that was previously reserved for drones twice its size and triple its price. The engineering required to shave every possible milligram from the frame while adding more powerful hardware is where DJI truly shines. We are hearing reports of a new magnesium-lithium alloy being used in the internal chassis, providing the structural integrity needed for high wind resistance while keeping the overall mass low enough to bypass the need for FAA registration in the United States and similar hurdles in the UK and Canada. This portability is the soul of the Mini line, but the Pro moniker is being earned this year through a sophisticated new triple obstacle avoidance system that utilizes wide-angle fisheye lenses, giving the drone a true 360-degree digital shield. This means you could fly through dense forests or complex urban environments with the confidence that the AI co-pilot is calculating millions of flight paths per second to keep your investment safe. When it comes to video capabilities, the leaks suggest we're looking at 5.2K resolution at 60 frames per second, a massive jump that allows for significant cropping in post-production without losing the crispness that high-end clients demand. Furthermore, the inclusion of a true 10-bit D-Log M color profile across all shooting modes means that color graders will have the flexibility to craft cinematic masterpieces right from a pocket-sized device. There is also heavy speculation regarding a new night vision mode that leverages AI denoising algorithms directly on the image processor, allowing for clean, usable footage in lighting conditions that would have resulted in a grainy mess on the Mini 4 or 5. Battery technology is another area where the May 2026 leaks are showing incredible promise. There are whispers of a new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus Gen 2 that utilizes higher energy density cells to push flight times past the 50-minute mark. For a drone this small, staying in the air for nearly an hour is a game-changer for hikers, travelers, and commercial inspectors who can't afford to carry a backpack full of spares. Combined with the rumored OcuSync 4.5 transmission system, which promises a rock-solid 20-kilometer range with enhanced interference resistance in crowded 5.8 GHz environments. The Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be a long-range beast that fits in a jacket pocket. Price leaks are currently the subject of intense debate among industry analysts. While the Mini series has always been the entry point, the sheer amount of high-end tech being packed into this 2026 model suggests a shift in pricing strategy. Most reliable sources are pointing toward a starting price of $899 for the standard RCN3 bundle, with a Fly More combo featuring the new integrated screen controller potentially reaching $1,200. While this is a premium price tag for a mini drone, The value proposition is clear. You are essentially getting the power of a Mavic 3 Pro in a form factor that requires no paperwork and offers maximum freedom. The design of the drone itself appears to be undergoing a subtle but functional transformation. Leaked renders show larger propellers with a steeper pitch and redesigned aerodynamic arms that supposedly reduce noise levels by another 15% compared to the previous model. This stealth flight capability is becoming increasingly important for creators who want to capture natural wildlife or candid moments without drawing unwanted attention. The gimbal also seems to have been reinforced, potentially offering a wider tilt range for those dramatic look-up shots that are so popular in architectural photography. Beyond the hardware, the software ecosystem is where the Mini 6 Pro will likely pull away from the competition. We expect to see an evolved version of ActiveTrack 7.0, which can distinguish between different types of subjects, like a cyclist versus a car, and adjust its tracking height and angle automatically to get the most cinematic shot possible. There is even talk of a director's mode, where the drone uses generative AI to suggest flight paths based on the scenery it perceives, essentially acting as a robotic cinematographer for solo creators who don't have time to master complex manual maneuvers.